G'day guys and welcome back to Quick Math. Today we're going to be talking about what a fraction is and what the numbers signify in a fraction. So a fraction is a number that's in between whole numbers. So it kind of floats in between the space between 1 and 2 or 0 and 1. And a really good example of this is if you eat half a pizza, you don't eat a whole pizza, obviously, because you've only had half, but you've eaten more than nothing. So it's floating in this space between nothing and one whole thing. Okay, so there's two really important words that we need to know here. So the denominator is the bottom number of a fraction and the numerator is the top number. And a fraction's always going to be written like this: one number over another number. So the denominator tells us is how many pieces is this whole thing broken into, okay? And that's really important. All of the pieces are the same size or even sizes, and this tells us exactly how big, say, the slices are in a pizza. The numerator at the top is the number that you have, or the number that we're looking for. So in this example, we've got 2 over 3. So the denominator tells us how it's broken up, or how does it break up. So my whole rectangle has to be broken up into 3 pieces, or into thirds. So that's all we need to do for the denominator. It's the size of the pieces that matters. The numerator up the top is how many we need to look for. So this is what we need. So in this example, we obviously need 2 of the thirds that we've made. Okay, and that's how we get to our answer. Another way to think about fractions is that they're very similar to divide. Okay, so a divide sign is a dot, line, dot, which looks exactly like a fraction, but with dots instead of numbers. And you can actually use that to kind of think about it. So we're saying that 2 over 3 is the same as 2 divided by 3. Okay, so in maths we use the word over to mean divide sometimes, and that just might help you follow along if your teacher's going too fast. I hope you guys found that helpful. Just a reminder that there are some free worksheets attached in the description below relating to this very topic. I also put up a PDF of the notes so you don't have to copy them from the video. If you do need any additional help, please don't be scared to send me an email. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel for some more quick math.